What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Hope you're doing well. We're going to go over from Ethereum. I'm currently sitting at 1560, up 4.8 on the day. We're sitting at a market cap of 188 billion, 24-hour volume, 28.94 billion. Let's hop into the charts. So potentially we're looking at a wave 3 being complete. Here's your wave 1. Your wave 2 pullback retraced 99% of wave 1. You had your wave 3 right here, your wave 4, and your final wave 5 completing the wave 3. Now we have, let me zoom in here. We're here on the 1 hour chart. We have a little bit of a topping tail candle. So we may look to start to put in a correction. Now, if we do, what I'm going to do is drop in a yellow box. I'm going to make this one way smaller so it's not distracting because it's already hit here. We're going to pull this over, open. Yeah. So this one already hit the subwave, wave 4. So a nice bounce off that box. So if we put in a wave 4 pullback, take your measurement from the bottom of wave 2 all the way up to the top of wave 3. You're looking for a minimum retracement of the 0.236. And sometimes it's going to come down to the 0.382, the 0.5. So we're going to drop in a little box here for a potential wave 4 pullback to take you down in between about 1278 and about 1448 for Ethereum. So I'm gonna pull these over. These price targets, they're based off support resistance in the past here where this purple box is. So I'll just leave it for now. But for a wave 4 pullback, you'd be looking for a retracement in between 1278 and about 1456. Now, if we just continue to pump, then we're looking at extended wave 3. But as of right now, we have a beautiful 5-wave structure to the upside. Please remember that Elliott wave theory is subjective to the person who's doing the analysis, and take it with a grain of salt. All right, guys, if we see that wave 4 pullback, could definitely see a nice bounce off this area. And then if we just see continuation, we are running into resistance here for Ethereum. If we scroll over, we met the technical target of this ascending triangle triple bottom at 1630. That target has been met perfectly, and we are hitting resistance right here. See the support here, not as major as a level as this one, the yellow box, in between 1642, but we are very close to it, about 1775. So definitely a potential reversal rejection level here where we could see a little bit of retracement would be healthy here. As you can see here, just absolutely extremely beautiful green candles. Now the bear scenario is that this is not the 5th wave bottom as I've been anticipating, and that it's a wave 4. I'll just quickly open it up here. ETH USD. Whoa, what just, okay, here we go. Sorry guys, USD. Now, which do I have it on Bitfinex? Do I have it on Kraken? Do I have it? I think I have it on Bitfinex. Nope, dude. Sorry, guys. How absolutely humiliating. I think, yeah, it's right here on Kraken. So I've been talking about a potential wave 4 to bring you into this yellow box. So potentially what we could be seeing is something similar to what we saw with the wave 2, where we saw a huge rally and then boom, we saw a continuation to the downside. So once again, we've seen a nice rally up to the 0.382. A normal retracement for a wave 4 can come up to the 0.5 at 1817, and then you see the continuation for the final wave 5. That is my more likely scenario, or the other scenario is that this is the bottom, this is the wave 5 as shown here, where this was your wave 5. Let me zoom it out for you guys so you can see it better. So we came down to wave 1, wave 2. This was your largest wave 3, and this was your final wave 5. But honestly, personally, this wave count is not as, I don't know what the word to use, not as pretty as this one here, where this was your wave 1, this is your wave 2. You can see that this one is much more clean. This was your wave 3. You're putting in your wave 4 pullback, looking for a potential final wave 5. The way to invalidate this is for us to come up and break the golden ratio at 2151 and break into the wave 1. Then that would confirm that this is the wave 5 and the bear market is over for Ethereum, but I don't think it's the more likely scenario in my opinion, but I could be completely wrong. Hopefully I am. Well, actually, I'd like to see one more wave down so I can get in at lower prices, especially with Matic. But you know, whatever happens, happens. So in the short term, I would expect to see a retracement sooner than later, because the harder we pump, the harder the correction. So it would be healthy for us to put in that wave 4 pullback. Let me zoom in here and come down to this yellow box here for a wave 4 and potentially look at a final wave 5 and complete a larger wave 1. If that does happen, then we'd be looking for a larger wave 2 correction, and that could be confirmation if we were to bounce and see continuation to the upside, that the bear market is over. Don't think it's a more probable scenario, but it's definitely a possibility. So that's it for this one. Big shout out to the Discord, making some juicy profits with our Gala trade, which is basically up over 90%, locked in 25% gains. I post my analysis, I post my exact entries, exits, and take profits for my spot trades, for my leverage trades. You can see what I'm doing with my HODL positions, and over 2,000 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. You really can't beat it. $10 a month. And if you want to trade with me, sign up to Bybit, $4,500 in bonuses. You can check out my full length tutorial. That is where I do all my trading, and I'll see you in the next video. All right, much love. Take care.